Okay. Well, for some of you, this might be the first class you're taking online or the first time you've used Canvas. So, before you dive into the material in um, Module 1, there is a previous module that you'll find that have a number of pages and folders that include information like how to use Canvas, how to log on, how to create a profile, the netiquette rules, so rules about how to use the course, ways to post that uses online decorum, and things like that. So I'd really like you to check those out and make sure to email me if you have any questions or comments. And then once you do that, then go ahead and start working on the first couple of modules in uh, in module one. The the uh, the autobiography that I like you to do assignment, and then also the icebreaker assignment are the first two that I'd like you to work on.